exactly as we said.
Yeah.
It's solid.
I ain't got that thought in my mind after this. Not at all.
Does it feel just normal?
Yeah, it's completely normal.
No pain? Moving your foot alright?
Yeah, the suit's a little bit tight. You know what I was like, how it was good. It was just, I don't know, I mean, I broke bones before and I'm not bothered about breaking bones, it's just the way it happened and just the looking down and seeing that, and I thought for 2 hours that it had gone. I mean, I could see it, but I didn't think it was attached. And then I didn't believe them in hospital when they were telling me that, you know, because all they kept doing was saying, no, this was bad, I've not seen anything like it.
I think it was genuinely real that at some point it was in danger of, it was certainly in danger of getting any movement back, never mind whether he kept it or not. So to actually, I just think to Charlotte, the job that the surgeon did, from what I understand, everybody that's looked at it here.
Every time I go to the hospital here, I update him by email, and within 2 hours he's replying to me. And he's at the end of the email, any questions I ask, he's straight back.
Yeah. When you look at this, everything was worth it, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Everything was worth it. When you look at this now, it's so different.
But I've not, you know, everyone asks me, I've not dreamt about it once, nothing. The only things I have worried about and dreamt about is recovery. You know, I dream about running again. I don't dream about a crash or anything like that, it's about running again, and things like that.
Yeah, so I've just jumped out of the car since the first time, Portimao last year with the accident on the first lap of the ELMS race. It feels absolutely mega to be back behind the wheel of one of these cars. You know, I've thought a lot about this over the winter. It seems like a long time, but I've come a long way in those. Well, we're approaching 8 months now, and to be fair, it's like I've never stepped out of the car. I got back in there, everything's familiar. I've got the buzz again, so I can't wait to jump back in again. So I'd just like to say a huge thank you to everyone that helped me after the accident with the well wishes, the donations. I found myself in a situation, to be honest, that I thought I'd never been as a driver. It's one of those things you think it's not going to happen to you. I was stuck out there in a foreign hospital. I just want to say they did an absolutely fantastic job on putting me back together, basically. I'm still in touch with the surgeons out there now. I'm doing really well. I've still got a bit of healing to go, but so far so good. And yeah, I couldn't have got out of the situation really without all the help from everyone else, so thank you.